Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, and welcome to DigiCode Productions. Right, this one came flashing across the BBC website. Rather like this one. This is about a biometrically secure vending machine. It identifies its users by identifying the veins in their hands, which I assume is unique to every human being. And then it can identify them as the person that is to receive the goods and has permission to buy them. So far, it's been tested on alcohol, and that worked. And it was also tested on ammunition for armed response units of the police. And that worked. So it just made me laugh a bit that very soon you could see smart vending machines on street corners identifying people over the age of 16 and selling alcohol to them, and on Garda Síochána corners armed response units could have ammunition vending machines on various street corners as well. Bizarre, but kind of made me laugh. Thank you very much.